you're paying a premium price, you want a device that looks and feels premium as well, and Lenovo has done an excellent job of that with the Yoga 920. It has a thin yet sturdy feel to it, weighing 3.0 pounds, 1.37 kilograms, and measuring just 12.7 by 8.8 by 0.5 inches, 323 by 223.5 by 13.95 millimeters. This means it has a nice heft, without feeling heavy or bulky. It also has a metallic finish which adds to the premium feel, although after only a few hours of use the metal became a veritable haven for fingerprints, so you may want to keep a small cloth handy to keep it smudge-free. It's a small price to pay, however, for such a good-looking 2-inch-1. The hinges along the back of the Yoga 920 are also eye-catching. We've fluctuated between thinking they're stylish and finding them a bit gaudy. There's no doubting the strength and build quality of the hinge though, which is essential for a convertible laptop, as that hinge is likely to see a lot of action as you flip the screen orientation, so you don't want it to be a point of failure. Like the hinge on the Surface Book 2, it's strong enough to angle the screen without the body tipping up, while the screen remains held in place. Unlike the Surface Book 2, however, the design of this hinge doesn't stick out quite as much, and, of course, it can flip the screen a full 180 degrees. 2-inch-1 convertibles that flip their screens to turn into a tablet-like device struggle to provide quite as good a tablet experience as 2-inch-1s, on which the screen detaches from the keyboard, as you're still left with a slightly bulky device with a back that feels like a keyboard, because it is one. Lenovo has managed to address at least one of these points thanks to the thinness of the design. Even with the screen flipped all the way back, this is still a thin device, though not quite as slim as standard tablets. That keyboard back remains, and while it doesn't feel that nice, compared to the smooth, flat back of a normal tablet, it's at least clever enough to turn off the buttons, so they don't interfere when in tablet mode.